Good morning, everybody. My name is Karmnye. Welcome to my channel Paper Fun. Today we will make a paper boomerang. And the best thing about this model is it can come back if you throw it. But I can't show you now because I am not in an open space. So just hold it from here and spin it and throw. So we need two papers for this model and glue. So we will start rolling this paper like this. Now we put a little bit glue here and here and here. Okay, now it's done. Just one part left with this part. Just fold it into here, then like this, and put glue and paste it. Okay. Now we did this part, right? So we will do the same with this paper. A boomerang is very tricky to make. I mean very simple. Just a little more folding, then put a little more glue. Here. Then paste it very hard. Okay, when it's done, do the same with the another one. First, you remember we roll it. Now we put these lines glue. Then when I start, do the same like this one. Now the final step. Put a little bit glue here and spread it with your finger. And put a little bit glue here and spread it. Now a little bit adjustments. Now press it very hard for 1 minute. I can use this. I think it should work now. Okay. Now when it's done, you can make it dry for an hour. Then you can spin it and then it will come back on you. So if you like the video, please like and subscribe.